guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be part 2 of my Temu review. If you guys want to watch and see who and what Temu is, please keep watching. Okay, so this is part 2, and this part I am so excited about this collab. Thank you so much, Temu, for sponsoring with me on this video. What? Thank you so much, Temu, for sponsoring this video and working with me on this video to spread the word about your brand and your company, which I do like. Alright, without no further ado, what is Temu? Temu is an online retailer who you can order things from. You can get anything from any category, from fashion, which my part 1 video is there. If you want to watch it, click here. My part 1 video of all the clothes that I got from me and the girls is on that video. This video is going to be home, it's going to be travel, it's going to be nails, it's going to be everything else and other categories on their website. They do have different retailers that sell different things, so just because you get one thing from a retailer that you may not like because of quality or whatever, you can always search another retailer within their website and you may get a different quality. However, the prices are super affordable on the website, so I definitely advise you to check the description box down below for links to everything that I'm going to be showing you today video, and also a code to save you some coins, girl. Alright, so first thing I got is a cup. You guys know that I love cups, and this is a 40-ounce cup. Hint, hint. 40-ounce cup, you guys. Look at how cute this cup is. You guys know that y'all see me drink. Look at this. This is a leopard print. Y'all, the quality of this, I mean, it's lighter. It's actually, I actually like this one a lot better because my other cup that I have that looks just like this is super heavy, and this one is not heavy, but it is good quality. I love the actual print of this cup. Leopard here. Let me give you guys a close up so what you can see what it looks like. You will be seeing me drink out of this. I'm just telling you now. You will be seeing me drink out of this, and if you ever wonder where it's from, refer back to this video so you can get the link for this cup down below. Y'all, I got a whole bag full of stuff, so I'm gonna be really quick to show you guys. Oh my god, I forgot I ordered this. Look at these, like Christmas all over again. Y'all, the stuff on this website is so affordable. I got these little bitty claw clips here. I got 3 packs. These are all neutral colored. Got those clips. And then I got some nails. All of these are, okay, so these are longer than what I expected them to be. I am not a huge long girl of nails, so I probably will not be using these. However, my niece loves these long claw nails, so she will be using these. These are how they look. These are the different styles that I got. These are the rainbow ones. And then you have these ombre ones. Now, these are more of my category here. These are more of my size of what I like to wear. These as well as what I like to wear. These are cute. They have some little designs on them. Ooh, these are really cute. Listen, I might not wear these long nails, but these are cute. Listen, they might get me out of my comfort zone with these. These are cute. And then I got these for more of a formal with the black French tip here. Then I got a phone case, you guys, in my favorite color, which is green. I saw this on the website and I was like, you know what? This is so cute. It has a little clip to it. Let me clip this to it. This is so cute. You can wear it like a little here on your wrist as a bracelet. I love the design of it here. This is such a cute case. I got these sponges here. This is what I use to wash the dishes, and I change these out maybe almost every week, but I usually get them from another website. So these were cheaper on Temu's website than the other website that I order from, but this is how they look. I'm sure you guys have seen it. The scrubber on one side and the sponge on the other side. So I got a whole pack of these right here, and honestly the quality of these feel the exact same as the quality of where I usually order these from, so that's good. So cheaper and the same quality, it's a win. Now this next section is going to be travel, because listen, I'm trying to travel. I may not be traveling as much this year because I have an important commitment coming up at the end of this year, but and it's taking all my current coins. However, 2024, I plan to be on a plane every month if I can, okay? So I'm preparing for traveling next year, and I got these little cute, these are some, not totes, what do you call these things? Oh my God, my mind just went blank. Packing cubes. Packing cubes to help keep all my stuff, my travel stuff together. This is what the top one looks like, and then you have several of them inside of here that, again, other retailers sell these for double the price. You can get them much cheaper on Temu's website. This is so cute. Wish you have a colorful life. These are cute. You get like, I don't know, 16 of these. Well, I don't know how much it is. I mean, how many of these, but I'll put it on the screen. You get so many of these little cute totes, little cute little makeup bag. And then you have your packing cubes here and a packing cube there. So this is cute, and it matches my luggage. So to keep going with traveling, I also got a nice carry-on bag. I actually ordered one in pink and, well, I meant to order one in pink and one in brown, but I ended up getting 2 pink ones here. They look the exact same, but I wanted Micah to get a brown one to match his suitcase, but they sent me 2 pink ones because I ordered 2 pink ones incorrectly. And what I did wrong was I ordered this bag in brown instead, but we'll get to this one in a second. This bag is adorably cute, and again, it matches my packing cubes and it matches my suitcase. There's so many different compartments in here. You can, there's a charging cable thing on the side. You can go take this hiking. You can take this as a carry-on. Your laptop bag can fit in the back part of this part here, and it expands, which is why it has the pieces here to keep it. There is even a bottom part here for your shoes. If you want to keep your shoes separate, there's a compartment here that goes at the bottom for your shoes, y'all. And it's separate from the laptop. So this part here is separate from this bottom deep part here. So this bag can expand pretty far. And then they have the inside part here that is all for. Look at how wide. I'm gonna show you guys because I really need y'all to understand how wide this bag can go. And there's different compartments inside of here. And it even comes with a charger for you guys to be able to connect your things. There's an inside part here if you want to hide something in your travel stuff. There's other compartments here. This, listen, Linda. I am trying to be on somebody's plane traveling, okay? Next year. So I am preparing myself for that. And there's even a pocket right back here with the zipper. So there's all kind of hidden compartments for you to carry a lot of things in this bag. So this is so cute. And last but not least, I got a duffel bag. I do plan to start going back to the gym, getting back into gym, working out. So I wanted a duffel bag that I can like pack my stuff up to the gym. Y'all know I got a gym here in my house, but I think for a little bit of motivation, I wanted to join a gym. I haven't told my husband that. He might be a little offended. But I want to join a gym that has more equipment for me to be able to work out and gain muscle and all that. So for me to prepare myself for that, I got this duffel bag. And here it's so cute. It says the tote bag. This opens, again, really nicely and wide. So I'm able to fit a lot into this bag. This could actually be, it turns into a duffel like this, and you have the straps to go on it. And I love the neutral shade in this. Again, I tried to order this other bag from Micah in this shade, but I obviously didn't order it correctly. I wasn't doing it right. But this is how the bag looks, and it just says the tote bag on the side. So aesthetically pleasing. I can see myself taking pictures with this bag. It's so cute, and I love the color. Okay guys, I forgot to include this in the video. This is some other things that I got that I had already started using. But I want to show you guys, this is a travel jewelry case that I'm able to put all of my jewelry inside of whenever I go out of town. We're going out of town today, so I wanted to show you guys me putting my earrings and my ring inside there. And it's really super cute and small and compact. The next thing I got is a scrunchie holder, acrylic scrunchie holder. This is a perfect size for me to be able to hold my satin scrunchies inside of. I think it fits perfectly. The next thing that I got is a tote bag. My sister is a nurse, so I wanted to be able to give her something. She brings her lunch with her and her books and stuff with her to work. So I bought this. It was so cute. It was super affordable on the website. And I also got me a little tote. I love pink and I love the color yellow. So I got this to be able to put any books, laptops, whatever. So that is all everything I got from my Temu haul. The shipping did not take that long. It took maybe about 7 or 8 business days to come in. So if you guys do order, if you want to check them out, I will have all of the codes, all of the links down below in the description box. If you have any questions about Temu that I can answer, I'll definitely be chatting down with you guys in the comments down below. So please be sure to leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel. Be sure to check out my previous video to look at all of the fashion, honey, all of the cute outfits I got from them. Watch that video after this video. And other than that, thank you so much, Temu, for sponsoring today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video.